So I'm on live. You are highly blessed. You are highly welcome. Today we are taking you through Igbo class. It's going to be a very short one indeed. Someone requested for this. As you can see, since I'm on live, I don't have the facilities on how to present it more better. So I'm going to use this blackboard here, this whiteboard. So we are going to talk about Udaume. And I'm going to tell you how I was able to memorize Udaume in Igbo language. So for you to get mastered to Igbo language, for you to know it better and, theoretically, you definitely have to know the vowel, which is Udaume. Udaume is vowel in English. So every language definitely will have this vowel. And for Igbo, we call this vowel Udaume. And in Udaume, we have it in two different ways. We have Udaro and Udamfe. So I'm going to try to show you right here. So I apologize for the kind of display that I have here. So just bear with me and probably you will be able to see it at all. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I was able to memorize it. Even with the Igbos, some of us don't know Udaro or Udamfe. We don't even know very good in this because we just grow up speaking Igbos or speaking Igbo language. But to be able to know it is very important. So, and shortly today, I'm going to clear you and you will be able to know it and also be able to memorize it. It's going to be a small trick that you will apply and you will be able to know it effortlessly. So let's do it. So here, as you can see, is Udaume. Let me take this bit. Udaume is simply vowel. So Udaume, some call it vowel. Udaume in Igbo language is divided into two. Some people take it differently, but for me, this is the best way I do it, and I'm able to know it as a child. Not now. As a child, I was able to know it, and that secret was given to me by my mom. So we have Udaro. So I have listed Udaro up here, and then Udamfe down. And I will start by naming them alphabetically, or in the alphabet of them, I will pronounce them how they are being pronounced. A, E, O, U, A, E, O, U. And then the Udamfe is A, E, O, O, U. A, E, O, U. So now, when my mom was teaching me this, I discovered a kind of reading that will help me to memorize it. And that is like Ezioku. If you're an Igbo person, you will understand Ezioku means truth. So when someone say Ezioku, it means truth. So, and Ezioku. So now I kind of see here A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. So A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. So it was the easiest way that I have ever found. And I've searched on the net and I could not find someone who teach how to memorize it because we need to know it. So from the old that is something alphabet, you pick out this 8. And this 8, you need to know it. They are very, very important in Igbo language. And you to teaching you how to make sentence with them, you find them in every sentence mostly. And since today I only want to drop these tips on how to know it effortless, how to memorize them. So when you say a, I, o, u, a, I, o, u, it is very easy because it sounds like ezioku. And then a, I, o, u. So we already know that a represent maybe aka, I, you will have something under as a dot. I, or, or cocoa, or oka. So when you now come to Udaume, you will not have anything under. You will not have any dot under. You will have only A, I, O, U, A, I, O, U. So some people, somebody requested for this. So I probably believe he will eventually see this because he's a half caste. He was born in Germany and he is learning Igbo one-on-one with me since I have indicated myself even on Facebook. So through Facebook, he got to know me. So I'm doing this video and when he sees it, he will be able to memorize Udaume effortlessly. So you can even sing with it. A, I, O, U, A, I, O, U. They look alike. So the 8 of them, they are divided into 2. So and when you want to make sentence with them all, so in the future, I will teach also how to make more sentence with them and why you must be able to know them differently. So the video is very short. It's just for me to tell you how I was able to memorize it. And since then, it has helped me and I have used it in helping even my children. So now they can tell you Udaro, Udaume, and the whole whole Udaume is very simple, but very important as well. You see, so if you have questions on this video, please don't fail to comment down below because I'll be ready for your response. It will be next time. I will definitely do another live today because I have some gist. But that one is not teaching. It's going to be discussing. So I think it's enough. Bye.